Hello everyone, on this international conference on radio science, equatorial atmosphere science and environment in Greece and the 6th Asia Research Notch Symposium on Humanosphere Science 2021. Today I will talk about transitional change of diurnal cycle of precipitation over Sumatra from emerging observation. My name is Helmi Husnaini. I'm from Department of Physics, Andalas University. My supervisor research is Dr. Takan Marzuki. And introduction, this research is one of intrastational atmosphere circulation that dominant in the tropical atmosphere area is Madden-Julian oscillation. Madden-Julian oscillation can influence weather and climate in the several parts of the world. This phenomenon have centered in the equatorial west of the Indian Ocean and moving toward the Pacific Ocean at a speed of approximately 5 meters per second with a period of 20 until 90 days. And the MGO represented by a Rossby-Calvin wave packet associated with deep convection. And the MGO in this study observed by the Global Precipitation Measurement Satellite Level 3 that data can be found free in the NASA website, and this data the type is Emerging Fine Product version 6 that have temporal resolution 30 minutes and spatial resolution 0.1 degree, and the satellite data product have the better resolution and increased observation of precipitation than tropical rainfall measuring mission or satellite before. And the location observation in this study is Sumatra, and the study about the lunar cycle and MGO activity in the maritime continent have been reported by several research, such as Lu et al. 2019 show the increase in rainfall amplitude during different phases MGO in the western maritime continent was due to the vertical integrated horizontal humidity convergence. Other research on Seiki et al. 2021 show the high amount of rainfall on the west coast of Sumatra were observed during a strong diurnal cycle that is rainy season. The study mentioned above does not investigate the difference in the peak time of rainfall during the active and inactive MGO phase. The emerging data that using in this study during 4 years from 2016 until 2019, and the diurnal characteristic of rainfall in this study defined into 3 categories. The first is precipitation amount, or PA, is defined as the accumulated precipitation divided by the number of hours from available data. The next is precipitation frequency, or PF, is defined as the ratio of total hours having measurable precipitation above a threshold of 0.6 mm per hour to the total hour of available data. The next is precipitation intensity, or PI, is derived from the accumulated precipitation divided by the total precipitation hours. And the MGO pace in this study is defined by the real-time multivariate index, or RMM, from the Weller and Hengdon definition with index MGO more than 1, and the active MGO defined in the 2, 3, 4, and 5 pass, and inactive MGO defined into 1, 6, 7, and 8 pass MGO by the index. The first result in this study show distribution of normalized count of rain event with unit percent, the first in the active MGO in the figure A and inactive MGO in the figure B, and the rain event defined as a rain event with data for 1 hour, so that the rain in the next hour is categorized in a now event. The number of rain events in generally more prominent during active MGO in the figure A. An increase in the land area is smaller than over the ocean. The highest increase in the number of events during the active MGO occurred around the Indian Ocean area. During the active MGO, convective clouds were concentrated in the eastern Indian Ocean to western Sumatra, and this condition consistent with the number of rain events from emerging observation. And the next is the distribution normalized rain event for 3 different duration, that is less than 3 hours, 3 until 6 hours, and more than 6 hours, where the rain duration defined as the difference between the start and end time of the rain. And from the first column show the active MGO, and the next column is inactive MGO. The rain over mainland in general dominate in the Sumatra is dominated by rain with a short duration, and over mainland Sumatra the most significant increase in area close to the coast, west and east Sumatra, and close to the equator. The percentage of rain event more than 6 hours was low over Sumatra. And the next is distribution of average PA with unit millimeter per hour in active and inactive MGO, and different about active and inactive in figure C. From this active MGO, in this average OPA reached 0.135 mm per hour in the most mainland Sumatra, especially around the equator. In this condition, following intertropical convergence zone phenomenon, and reached 0.1661 mm per hour around Nias Island. And the figure B, during inactive MGO, the mean of PA was approximately 0.25 mm per hour and 0.63 mm per hour for the same area. The increase in the mean of PA over mainland Sumatra is relatively high, with an increase in amplitude toward the equator. The next is distribution of mean PF inactive in the figure A, inactive in the figure B, and the different inactive and inactive in the figure C. From this figure, we can see the during active MGO, the mean PF much higher than the inactive MGO, especially in the western part of Sumatra. High rainfall amount is produced by the high frequency of rain in this area. The increase in the PF during the active MGO reached approximately 5% around the equator of Sumatra. The amplitude of mean PF increased about approximately 9% over the Indian Ocean. The next is distribution of mean PI in active and inactive MGO, and different both active and inactive in the figure C. From this figure, we can see the effect of MGO on the average PI over mainland Sumatra was different between the north and south area. However, there was no significant change in the PI. A slight increase of up to 1 mm per hour was observable in some part of the Indian Ocean. The last is distribution of peak time PA, PF, and PI that represent by Byron and active and inactive MGO, and the peak time did not show a significant change during active and inactive MGO, especially in NPA and PF, and the change in the peak time tend to occur on a local scale, especially for the peak time of PI. And the next is the peak of PA and PF along the western Sumatra are dominant in the afternoon, and there is no dominant shift to peak time during the active MGO. The summary in this research first is MGO generally increase the number of rain events, mean of PA and PF, especially around western Sumatra and the Indian Ocean. The increase in the number of rain events over the mainland Sumatra is dominated by rain lasting less than 6 hours, Meanwhile, in the Indian Ocean region, the increase of rain even during the active MGO is dominated by short and long-duration rain. The influence of the MGO on the main PI is not significant. In the mainland, there is a slight decrease in rain intensity, especially in the southern area of Sumatra. Finally, in the study, we found no significant change in the peak time of PA, PF, and PI during different MGO tests. Thank you for your attention for my research. Back to moderator.